Hey guys, in this video, I want to walk you through the replacement process and how you can go about pairing your replacement AirPod products with the ones that you already have. So for instance, maybe you just lost one of your AirPods, maybe you lost both of them, maybe you just lost the charging case, whatever it may be. When you have your replacement items back with the items that you already had previously, how you can go about pairing them all together. Now, I'll link right at the top of the video description the Apple support page on what to do if you lost your AirPods or your charging case, so you can go through Apple support to get your replacement. But if you already have your replacement, whether it's one AirPods, both of them, the charging case, whatever it might be, any situation that you find yourself in, what you do is just take both AirPods and put them in the charging case, and then at that point, open the lid and check the status light. It should flash amber. That means that they're not currently paired to your device. So at that point in time, go ahead and press and hold the setup button, the pairing button on the back of the case for a few seconds until the status light flashes white inside of the AirPods case. Now at that point in time, you're going to be in pairing mode with your replacement items that are now together with the items that you had previously. And if you have an iPhone, this process is really simple. Just open up your home screen and open up that AirPods case, of course, making sure that it was in that pairing mode, and then it will walk you through setup. Really simple. Now, if you're pairing to an Android smartphone, it's a little bit different. Just make sure that, again, you're in that pairing mode, and you do that by holding down the setup button on the back of the AirPods case for a handful of seconds. But at that point, open up your Android, bring down the top screen, click on the little gear, which will open up the settings, then click on Bluetooth and devices, then click on Bluetooth, and then at that point, just click the little plus sign for adding a paired device. It will search for devices in your area that are in pairing mode. Just select AirPods, and you should be hooked up and ready to go at that point in time. But it's a relatively straightforward process. I like that Apple gives you the option where if you perhaps lose one of your AirPods or the case, or perhaps you still have the case but you lost both of your AirPods, you can go about ordering replacements as opposed to just buying a whole brand new product, which could be a bit more expensive than just the replacement. So I hope this video was helpful in kind of walking you through the process on where you can go with Apple support to get those lost or missing items replaced. And then once you get those replacement items, how you can go about pairing them with the items that you already have. So I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you back here next time.